couldn't go out because of the pain in dead knees. Ingredients: raisin, sesame, flax seeds, honey. 1. Joint health support. Raisins contain compounds like polyphenols and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially alleviating pain and discomfort in the knees. Sesame. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Sesame seeds are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the joints, potentially easing knee pain and improving overall joint health. Flax seeds. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are a great plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce knee pain and inflammation. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.